Font Group. In Microsoft Word, Font Group shortcut keys help users quickly format text without using the mouse. These shortcuts help save time and make formatting more efficient, especially when working on large documents. The mini toolbar is a small box that appears when you select the text. This makes editing faster and more convenient. How to bold, italic, and underline text in Microsoft Word. First, select the text and click on button in Font Group. That's it, your selected text is bold. To italicize text in Microsoft Word, select the text and click the I button in the Font Group. That's it. The text is italicized. To underline text in Microsoft Word, select the text and click the U button in Font Group. Now your text is underlined. For more underline formatting, click the drop-down arrow next to the Underline button for more styles, as well as explore advanced options. You can also change the underline color from the same menu. To change the font style in Microsoft Word, select the text you want to change. Then in the Font Group, you'll see a drop-down menu showing the current font. Click on this drop-down menu to view a list of available fonts. Scroll through the list and click on the font style you prefer. The selected text will instantly change to the new style. You can also change the font style by writing as you want. To change the font size in Microsoft Word, select the text, then in the Font Group, click on Font Size drop-down arrow to see a list of available font sizes. You can also use the Increase Font Size or Decrease Font Size buttons for quick adjustments without opening the size menu. To change case, select your text, click the Change Case icon in Font Group, and choose your desired option from the list. Sentence case capitalizes the first word, lowercase, all letters in small, uppercase, all capital letters. Capitalize each word, first letter of every word capitalized, and toggle case reverses current capitalization. The strike-through feature in Microsoft Word is used to draw a horizontal line through selected text, indicating deletion or revision without removing the content. To apply strike-through, select the text and click the strike-through button in the Font Group. It is helpful for editing, showing changes, or marking completed tasks. This feature keeps the original text visible while clearly showing that it is no longer relevant or needed. Text effects in Microsoft Word are used to enhance the visual appearance of text, making documents more attractive and engaging. To apply them, select the text and click the Text Effects and Typography icon in the Font Group. A menu will appear with various style options. Click on your preferred effect, and it will be instantly applied. These effects include outlines, shadows, reflections, glows, outlines, and 3D effects, as well as number styles, ligatures, and stylistic sets. Text effects are especially useful for titles, headings, and important content, helping your text stand out and adding a creative touch. To highlight text in Microsoft Word, first select the text you want to highlight. Then, go to the Font Group, click the Text Highlight Color button, and your text will be highlighted. A drop-down menu will appear with different color options. Click on your desired color and apply it to the selected text. This feature is useful for emphasizing important points, keywords, or sections that need review or attention. How to use font color. Select the text and click the Font Color button in the Font Group, and this will be applied. You can also choose more colors for additional options and advanced colors. As well as for creative styling, select gradient options under Font Color menu, allowing smooth color transitions within the text, perfect for headings or decorative elements in documents. Subscript in Microsoft Word is used to position text slightly below the normal line, commonly for formulas, maths, or footnotes. To apply it, select the text, click the Subscript button in the Font Group. This feature helps display specialized notations clearly and professionally within documents. Superscript in Microsoft Word is used to raise text slightly above the normal line, often for mathematical powers and more. To apply it, select the text, and click the superscript button in the font group. This feature also helps to present specialized formatting clearly and professionally. How to clear all document formatting. To use it, select the text, and click the Clear All Formatting button in the font group. Now your text has been converted to normal. It's especially useful for cleaning up copied content, or starting fresh with consistent formatting across a document. To open Font Group dialog box, go to the bottom right corner of the font group, click the small diagonal arrow icon, also known as the dialog box launcher. This opens a detailed menu where you can customize text appearance more precisely for professional-looking documents. In Microsoft Word, the Font Group dialog box offers advanced text formatting options such as font style, size, color, effects like strike-through, superscript, and subscript, character spacing, and more advanced options.